basically going to talk about T25, which is Transformative 25. What it is, I will explain to you eventually. But to begin with, I will first tell you what is the flow of the session like, okay? So I will talk about what is transformation coaching, who am I, what is this T25, what do you get out of it, and what should you do to sign up for it. And then towards the end, I will be taking up some questions. All right, are you ready? Perfect. Okay. Yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment or in the question section. I'm not very sure how that works, but I hope it works pretty fine. And I hope I'm audible to you. All right. Okay, so I will first begin with who am I. I am Tanya Mehra. I've had a very interesting journey on personally and professionally. I was a person who used to feel very underconfident, wouldn't have done this kind of a live session earlier, and was, questioning my potential and my decisions and everything. And now I'm at a point where I'm confident and I know what I want out of my life. So that is a huge shift in my life. In terms of career, I have moved from multiple career options. I was studying advertising, worked in event industry for 1.5 to 2 years. Then I studied philosophy from University of Glasgow. That is where I came across transformational coaching. So I am trained with Animas, which is ICF accredited. ICF means International Coaching Federation, and my training got completed in the month of Jan. I have been coaching, however, since the month of October. I have a pretty vast client base. So that is a little bit about me, and now I'm a transformational coach. So that is what you should know about me. Now, what is transformational coaching? Transformational coaching is a conversation-based approach to help you find your solutions. What are solutions? Solutions are anything and everything that are based in your future. Yeah, so we are exploring your future possibilities, and what can you do, what is your potential like, what are the answers that you need in your life, things like that. So we engage in a conversation to understand how and what you can do to move from where you are right now to where you want to be it in terms of your career, be in terms of your relationship, your inner well-being, or life in general. How do you want things to be for yourself, right? And how do we do that? Transformational coaching is a space which is non-judgmental, non-advisory. That means I will not be giving you advice, but you will be giving yourself the right advice that you need, and fully confidential. That means whatever discussion that takes place remains between you, the client, and myself, the coach. Okay, so that is transformational coaching, something that is focused on your solutions, something that is focused on your future, right? Now let's talk about the interesting part, or T25, that I have been going on and on about in my stories. T25 is transformative 25. What is transformative 25? I am turning 25 in the month of July, and so I have launched a special offer for you and everyone to benefit from this. How? So I am planning to give, or I have devised a program such that I'm going to give 25% off to each one of you for the program. Not each one of you, only to the first 12 who sign up for it. Now, what are these programs? In these programs, there are 3 programs that I'm launching. One is structured career program, one is structured relationship program, and one is structured inner well-being program. Now, what do I mean by structured programs? It is structured because I have set what all we are going to do in the sessions to bring about the transformations in your life. If you want to continue, you can definitely continue after the 3 sessions, but the first 3 sessions are structured in a way for you to directly benefit and bring about the changes in your life, depending on which program you choose: career, relationship, or inner well-being, right? So it is structured. And how will I structure these programs? When we engage in a free consultation call, I will be understanding from you what is going on for you, and based on that I will suggest these are the three models or the structure that I feel we should follow. And so it is structured but it is customized. You see the combination there. So that is what I'm planning to give in Transformative 25. Transformative 25, what is it? I'm giving 25% off on 3 programs that I'm launching only for the month of July. So if you want to sign up for it, you can sign up from 21st to 30th of June. And in the consultation call, you can decide whether you want to take the Transformative 25 offer. And then within the 3 weeks, we are going to work on you and the particular category that you want to work on: career, relationship, or inner well-being. So that is Transformative 25. That is what I'm planning to give you. But let's just dig a little deeper into what are these 3 programs, okay? A little bit more about it. So beginning with the structured career program, what is it? So a lot of times what happens is we are questioning ourselves. We don't know why are we doing that job, why are we unhappy even if it is a dream job, or you're questioning your potential, whether is this particular career path right for me, is this job right for me, what should I do? And the pandemic has not benefited any one of us. It has just changed everything around us and caused a lot more confusions in our life, right? So in the structured career program, I have come across the things that we all need, so that at any point of life we can just align our lives in such a way that our career is falling in place and we know what to do, right? So you get the courage to change from your current job to your next job. You find what you love to do. You will learn what are your core values and why are you unhappy in your current dream job, if you are in your dream job, and any other questions that you have around your career, focusing on the solutions. So we focus on the solutions in the career programs, right? The second program that I'm offering is structured relationship program. What is that? What I have noticed and realized is that the major problem in any relationship is the communication. I know you might have heard that a lot, but that is true. And it's not only about how we are communicating to our partner, but also because we don't exactly understand what language of love does our partner understands, or for that matter, what is our language of love. We don't know who we are to begin with, and we are in a relationship with someone else and we are still trying to understand them as well. You see the kind of disconnection and how the problems could be, what could be the problems arising from here. So in the structured career program, I help you first identify who you are, then to identify and understand what is your relationship with your partner, where is it headed, and especially a long distance relationship, because of pandemic, a normal relationship has also become a long distance relationship. You can't move around anywhere, right? So I specifically cater to long distance relationship and what you can do about it, because again, learning about the partner's language of love and how you can communicate plays a drastic role in having a healthy relationship. So I will again in the free consultation call, understand from you what is it that you are facing, and based on that we will devise together what should be your structure for the next 3 weeks. So that is relationship program for you. And inner well-being. What about inner well-being? So oftentimes you might have again questioned yourself: am I wrong? What am I doing? Who am I? What do I want to do in life? What is my purpose of life? Why am I not confident? Probably questioning, am I standing in the way of my happiness? Which happens with a lot of us. It happens with me as well. And I'm big thankfully to the coaching that I have gone through, the diploma that I did. I am able to recognize and overcome these on daily basis as well. So, in the inner well-being program, we will begin by understanding who you are first and what is your purpose of life, what will make you happy. We will try to understand what are your limiting beliefs or how you might be limiting yourselves and what you can do to move ahead and beyond of this, to become the person that you want to become. Right? So that is the inner well-being program for you. These are the three programs: structured career program, structured relationship program, and structured inner well-being program, that I'm giving for 25% off. So what you basically get from T25 or Transformative 25 is 25% off on any program that you take. These programs are very short, so that you can actually start working on them and start seeing the difference if you actually work on them. And yeah, so the original price you get, the original price, yeah, so the prices will go back to being the original prices after July. Right, in August I will be, this structured programs will still exist but at a higher rate, not at the current rate. So if you want to avail this offer, and if you want to be the part of T25, which is Transformative 25, to celebrate my birthday and to help me give more value to the community, then you can join. And how do you join? You can check my website first of all, tanyamehra.com. It's also there in the bio. In the bio, you will check, you can see Transformative 25 written there. You get all the information that you need, or else you can sign up or leave a comment right now, and I will get in touch with you. You can drop a DM to sign up, or just simply drop a hi, and then we can get on a call to discuss which offer works for you the best. Okay, now I will just cover some essentials over here. To sign up, you only have from 21st of June to 30th of June. So in these 9 days, you have to sign up. I am giving this offer only to 12 people because I can accommodate only 12 people in the month of July. So it is self-explanatory that I'm only running this offer for the month of July because that's my birthday. I'm turning 25.